Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into setting up project dependencies on your Asana timeline with our complete 2025 guide. Firstly, sign into your Asana account and open up the project you're working on. Now, why do we do this? It's because Asana organizes work based on projects, and each project has its unique timeline you can customize. Moving on, find the Timeline tab at the top of your project and click on it. This takes us to the visual representation of your project schedule. This is where we'll be setting up dependencies. Now that we're on the timeline, it's time for the fun part. To create a dependency, click on a task. You'll see a spot to add dependencies in the Task Details pane. Type in the name of the task that needs to be completed before this one can start. The reason we do this is to make sure tasks are completed in the correct sequence, keeping your project on track. Once you've done that, a line will appear on the timeline connecting the two tasks. This visual cue helps us understand the sequence of tasks at a glance. If you need to change or remove a dependency, just click on it and hit delete. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is using these dependencies to calculate your project schedule. If a dependent task is delayed, Asana will warn you about potential impacts on your timeline. Next up, if your project has many dependencies, you might want to use the Auto Shift Due Dates feature. When you turn this on, Asana will automatically adjust the due dates of dependent tasks if a predecessor task is delayed. This helps us because it saves time and keeps your timeline accurate even when changes happen. And that's it. With these steps, you're now equipped to set up project dependencies on Asana Timeline, keeping your projects organized and on schedule. Thanks for watching. And remember to keep exploring Asana for more ways to streamline your project management.